Hello traders, Lloyd Ray with TopDownCrypto.com, your number one source for cryptocurrency technical analysis and blockchain education. In this live stream, we've got episode 46 of Crypto and Chill. Thanks again for being here, everyone. And, well, we've had one heck of a run for NEO, have we not, guys? That thing kind of came out of nowhere. Or did it? We're going to take a look. So, yeah, guys, talked about this trade setup, buying at the bottom of falling wedges, coins that have been beaten down. We bought before it was cool. We pulled a Matthew McConaughey, guys. It looks like it paid off. So thanks again for being here. Hold on, what's up with my ticker? Oh, never mind, it's good. Hold on. I have to do the thing I always have to do. Okay. Get a updated viewer count. So what did NEO do? It hit the measure move too easy. Then it busted up, hit this 50%, 7752 area, then the 8005 area. Tested and used that 200 MA as well. It's the music sounds like I'm almost like hearing two songs. Now this is messed up. Hold on, let me fix this. There you go, man. Bitcoin. So yeah, what's next for NEO? We'd like to see it come back some, definitely cool off, and start a bullish flag, bull pennant. Then when that starts forming, we'll talk about good re-entry positions for NEO. You want to buy at the bottom of the flag if we get it. So. Embers, man, thanks so much for that 500 bits, man. Kicking it off. Thanks, brother. Oh, hey, man. It wasn't me. It was the, you know, the Jesus man. It was the Jesus man. It wasn't me. Thanks, brother. So yeah, let's revisit NEO in a little bit, but wonderful trade, guys. Hope you got in on this and made some money. I'm getting a lot of people PM me and tell me about it, that they did make money. So I am very happy and grateful that you at least took my word for it, that it was a good low risk, high reward situation. That's what we're talking about. Low risk, higher reward than we thought, almost, pretty much. So let's go to Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, your local on the 8s. Okay, guys. Bitcoin. Touch that upper trend line of the rising wedge we're forming right now off the breakout of this huge channel, or wedge you would like to call it, the falling wedge. And that stems from 11,663 back March 5th. So over a month now, we've broken out of a channel of that development. So what do I see? Something I tweeted about, Class C, bearish divergence. So it's the weakest form of divergence, but nevertheless, it still exists. It's there. Something nice is we're above the 50, and we bounced off, the 50, and now we're kind of going up, but might see some bearish divergence there. That upward sloping movement like that, never really something you want to see. So keep that in mind. And now that we've hit this trend line and bounced off of it, we respected that trend line, so that validates this wedge even more. Every time we use that as a resistance, yeah, it's more valid. So guys, what happens after runs up, after rising wedges, you get measured move downs. So breakout at some point probably will occur. If we disrespect the TA, hey, we're probably going to run to this 74, 73 area if we disrespect the TA. Okay. Or, I mean, honestly, I think 72.10 is also a real possibility when you have all these wicks right here. This was like a 40% retrace. Yeah, 43% retrace from the top to the bottom of the bearish cipher, which is also right next to this tweezer double top. So I think this would definitely be used as resistance before we ran to the 74.60 area. So let's take a look at chat, guys. Okay. What's up, Nick Adams, Serendipity, BK Hood, XVG, got on the list, Nick. It's number one. Tyler Schmitz, thanks for tuning in on Periscope. Jeff, guys, Jeff is the top Jesus of contributions for the stream. His name will forever be on this side, whatever this side is for you. I guess it's the left side. So top Jesus in the house. What's up, Jeff? Eric, what's up, man? One Man Army, hello. Eric has TRX, we got it. OMG for you, one man army anytime, dude. Jimmy, what's up, dude? BK Hood, we got XVG, and we have Fun on the list. XRP's on the list. Rickshaw, got you, dude. Neo, heck yeah, man, right? Sub on the list now. XVG on the list. K2, what's up, man? It's the lavish life we're all trying to chase with Crypto Brezif. Oh my god. Pretty much, dude. ADA for Gonzalo. Heck yeah, man. Anytime. I hear it's making moves. Word on the street. The crypto street. Give me a sound check too, guys. Let me know if it's too loud. I'll make adjustments just for y'all. In cash. Okay, Rick. ENG. Hey, ENG, guys. Member. LSK. Vib was a hot one. Vib was a wonderful setup. It was a little late. It was a little more developed than we wanted, What's up with What's up, RCN? What's up, Dari SC, man? Thanks for tuning in on Twitch, man. We're trying to keep that Twitch army rolling, right? Trying to grow our Twitch base. Oh man, this music's sweet. Dang, Jimbo, that's a lot of coins, man. It's gonna be tough. Tall order. XLM. Boom. Crypto farmer. Got you, dude. What's up, Hell Donovan? How's your wife? Tell her Jack Black says hello. I'm on call, so been in tether and missing out. Oh man, dude, she's been on that Nia, dude. What's up, RR186? iOS Dumpfest, IOST Dumpfest. Well, duh, man, you hit target, right? You hit that freaking measure move, dude. Sorry, guys, I'm so behind on chat. I know that a lot of y'all probably like, do the TA, man, do the TA. We're just engaging, talking to folks, okay? So, IOTA for Taro. Yeah, man, IOTA was looking pretty good. It was starting to wake up like we said it probably would over time. It takes time. Still got to make that higher high, though. What's up, MK Hani? The BitLord Jesus tied with Jules. Currently, they're tied, guys. It's a bit war. There was a lot of bloodshed last night, guys. We had to call Bitfinex and talk about how we could get our bits into cryptocurrency. They wouldn't answer, man. They are screwed. What's up, Rolando? We're getting to LTC next, man, just for you, dude. Jashawn, how you doing, my man? Dude, this is awesome. Can someone find me like music just like identical to this that's not copyrighted? With the guitar and it's like 80s. Oh my god. Awesome, Emrys. Thanks for the sound check. Fun is on the list, BK. Absolutely, bro. BCN for Dan. Interesting. BCN. What is BCN? Got IOST on the list for you, St. Besonia. Thanks for being here. What's happening in general with the market? We had this really weak, no volume breakout for Bitcoin, making a bearish pattern. Sketchy with Class C bearish divergence. That's what we got going on with the market. Pablo, I hope Sydney is. Hope you cool down, man. Hey, Rolando, man, thanks so much for the sub on Twitch, man. You just do. We can do that. You got any questions about TS in the chat and Discord, man? Thanks so much, Rolando. Heck yeah, man. That means a lot, dude. It really does. Any contribution you guys make goes straight to investment to increase the quality of this content. Okay. XRP? Ooh, XRP, of course, Emrys. Vibe? Sweet. Got you, Narb. See, we did Vibe earlier by accident, because someone was like Vib, and we're like, Vibe? What's up, Chocolate Monkey? ONT? Yeah. Is it still running to the moon, or did it... I mean, it double topped really bad. Anytime, Rickshaw. Anytime, brother. ZRX? ADX. That is a coin I've not heard in a long, long time. Tyler Schmitz, what's up again on Periscope, man? What's up, bro? No, Chaz, you're the freaking man. Stop talking about yourself, dude. Vin for Justin. I got you, dude. More power. Ascending triangle on Juan? We're gonna write that down, man, just for you. Wasn't Juan on the list, though? Dude, this music is freaking amazing. Juan, Ascending Triangle. This is it, man. This music is crypto, dude. This is crypto music. And if it's not, we're gonna make it that. We're making this music crypto, okay? Did we respect the T on XRP? I don't know. I'm not sure. We'll check it out. Neo jumped on the Neo wave. We'll find one, help Donovan. We'll freaking find one. E and J? We have E and G. We'll put Inge on the list. What's up, DJ Barrios? What's up? What's up, bro? What up, bro? Heck yeah, Tyler. Well, glad I got you some entertainment, man. Really appreciate you. Thanks for being here. And guys, it seems like we've caught up on chat. We're going to take care of it. Hey, Dende. I got you covered, bro. It's going to be like the second coin we cover, alright? Bring the music up a little bit. Alright. Let's do it, man. Just let me know when it's good, Dari. And give me some more feedback. Tell me it's good. Alright, so look at that. Big fall right there. Big pullback. like retraced over half the way from this candle, okay? So be careful. We talked about it. We are skeptical, okay? Very skeptical. Aked, the Wedge Jesus, welcome. KFC, or not, sounds gross. Got food poisoning one time after spring break way back. I've never eaten KFC since, man. Oh my god. Litecoin. I'm sure we had some good price action, but now it's probably pulling back a little bit. There you go, man. There you freaking go. Yep, pulling back. Halfway, more than half. Okay, so we talked about multiple scenarios here of how to buy and sell. It was educational, right? Had a stop loss here. We would have just gotten stopped out. Makes sense though. Look at that. It would have been a very, very difficult trade right there. I'm telling you this. You could have shorted here too if you wanted. But look at all these wicks here. It looks like the wick came up to double top this wick. Man, that was a tough one, dude. That was a real tough one. A lot of volatility here. Lots of Rudy Poo stuff like that. But nevertheless, there's a double top. It's that wick. Interesting. So let's redraw. See if we have any pattern development, new stuff. Whoa, man. Dang, dude, that inverse head and shoulders crap. Are you serious? Does anyone see that on the 4 hour? Hello? Okay, that's literally right at that 50%. 124.93 was the measured move of the head and shoulders. So we didn't quite make it there, but it's okay. And honestly, man, this is all so tied to Bitcoin, it doesn't even matter. If Bitcoin would have kept going, oh yeah, look at Bitcoin. Wow, nice. Not nice for the bulls, nice for the bears. Sorry. I mean, that was an incredible short. I hope if you were shorting, you got short up there at that 71.70 area. Beautiful. It respected the TA so wonderfully. We had double bottom rising wedge, decompensated, broke right through it, measured move perfect. Then you got it looks like a slanted inverse head and shoulders, but we'll find out, man. We know the measured move's 124.93. We'll see if we hit it. If not, no big deal. So. Sick, dude. Okay, so we're at a target right now. Some big resistance here, and then your biggest ultimate one is going to be 419.74 up here, right? And then you also have this 438 wick, man. I'm going to play the best risk reward on Earth ever. It's going to be shorting at 438 on Ethereum. By chance if it happened. I doubt it would happen. So music too loud now. Dang it, man. Sorry, dude. Jesus. Someone was like, it's too quiet, and then someone said perfect, and now it's too loud. Sorry. Please stay on Twitch as YouTube is blocked at work. Dude, I'm gonna stay on. We're staying. You think we're ever gonna close up our fences? We're gonna keep opening the fences, man. Keep laying fences everywhere. How's the hangover? Hey, man, you should have seen me today at the stream. People were like, Ray, you should have taken today off. I'm like, I know, man, I should have. But I didn't. So it's okay, man. I can rest when I'm dead. How about that? So, 416. Hey, Dristy, thanks so much for the sub on YouTube, man, or on Twitch, man. You just do. Couldn't do that. You got any questions about TS in the chat and Discord, man? Thanks so much, Dristy. Thanks, man. It means a lot, man. It really does. Trying to build that Twitch base over there. You know, it's not mainstream for crypto yet, but we're intent on making it. All right. A lot of what everyone in here has probably played video games at one point. Hey, Mission Control, a coin. We just got a sub on YouTube or something, and it fell in a jar, and nothing. There was no notification. Hello, Mission Control. I don't know, man. It's kind of weird. How many ciders? Like 4, I think, Broseph. And I don't drink often at all, so it was tough, man. Earning to learning. Heck yeah, Dristy. Dinde. Yeah. Backing, man. Kappa. Blocked in the hospital. Twitch good in the hospital. Don't let them know about it, man. Hey, the Jack of all trades, man. Thanks so much for the follow on Twitch, man. You Jesus, dude. We can do that. Should you got any questions about TS in the chat and Discord, man? Thanks so much, Jack of all trades. You enjoyed Drunk Mitch? Yeah, man. I'm a little wiry. I'm a little crazy when I'm drinky drunk. So, anyway, we're just doing more education. Good risk reward based on our levels. You get stopped out, who cares? You barely lose anything, but you did have a pretty nice risk reward. So that's it, man. And up at these levels, I think you still have a really nice 419.74 going short there. I think you have a really nice risk reward. Incredible risk reward there. If we could ever get there, that'd be wonderful, man. Like, who cares if you get stopped out? It's all about taking the chances with very small. Look, I mean, you're not losing anything when you short and get stopped out. I mean, but then your upside potential is insane, man. Look at this huge channel, man. So you got stopped out here, barely lost anything, right? Down here. Yeah, down here. You lost a little bit, but if this trade worked out, you just going down a little bit, you've made all that back. It's just ridiculous, man. 16 to 1 risk to reward. Are you serious, man? Freaking serious? Try and get up here. You may not even get here. Probably won't, based on Bitcoin. But hey, if Bitcoin keeps rising in that wedge, man, you're gonna have a real good opportunity coming up short Ethereum. Okay, so let's move on to the first one on the list. That's Verge. We did a lightning analysis yesterday on Verge, right? And we broke out. We're hooking now. Ooh, dang it, man. Hold on, I'm trying to grab this. That's what she said. Kappa. So no, we're not hooking. We broke though. We broke out. Man, I'd really like us to test this area. That's normally what you want to get for confirmation. Remember what we said, the measure move. If we make it 1100, that's the measure move. And I'm not saying we're going to stop there. I'm saying that'd be a great target if we did get some confirmation here. Volume picking up would be great. And then, obviously, breaking through that 991 area. Wait, Dristy, you just subbed, man. What happened, man? Can someone give me a... Do we do it, man? Did you just sub twice, man? Hello? Dristy times 2 subs? What happened, man? Alright, so look, your first target's 991. You break that, you go into the 1272, which is 1019. If you can break that, obviously you're going to test this wick, which is 1052. But If you get a few more green candles, I mean, 1100's definitely in the cards for the measure move up and the bull pole, bull flag. Okay, so we'll see what happens. Okay, let's look at the MACD histogram. You had serious levels of bearish consolidate, or excuse me, bearish divergence. But you still made a lower high, so it's not technically that. So I don't know, man. The MACD's not really telling us that much. Besides, yeah, nope. Business as usual. Nothing on the MACD. We're above 50 on the RSI on the 4-hour. Great news. Great looking stuff. Look, bouncing off that 50. Light to Jesus, man. Okay. We don't want to be the Jesus, man. That's Verge, man. Let's see 1100. Let's be the Jesus, man. TRX. Hey, the Jack of all trades, man. Thanks so much for the follow, man. You Jesus, man. You can do that. You can question about TS in the chat and Discord, man. But yeah, dude. Thanks, man. It's so weird. Why are we getting double follows? This is so weird. Is this bugged? Is this real life? Is this the John Wayne Jesus, man? Oh. Look at that, man. Look at that. We talked about this in the lightning analysis today, guys. So, you know, there's a chance we could break down to lower prices, but hey, you know what, man? Talked about 3.86 to 1 risk to reward on a little trade. Just when we're kind of channel bound like this, finding some good support here. If we can hold that support, we will see higher prices, and if we do, we could come up here to sell off at the previous high, which should be 554, right? You sell at 554, you buy at 5. What do we buy at 527? We're currently at that level. We finally hit that. We finally hit. Right, we were up here. We had not hit this level. We're now finally hitting the buy, the limit buy going off, right? And so, you know, if you get stopped out here, okay, whatever, not the end of the world. I mean, you're not losing anything really, essentially, for what you could gain, which is a 3.86 to 1 risk to reward. You would sell up here the 554, bouncing off that 3 at 2, light to Jesus, man. Look, 1, 2, 3 times, 4 times. This 4th time was the anomaly. It bounced off the 200 on the 1 hour and the 50 on the 4 hour. So yeah, man, 382. Good support right here. Let's see if we can hold it and break to the upside. But it's going to require a little bit of volume, maybe. So you're double bottoming. Ooh, hey guys, 4 hour. That's nice. You got some Class B bullish divergence. I like this even better now, man. Didn't even see that. Sweet, man. And you fell below the 50 on the RSI. That's okay. But you still, look, you made a low here. Now you're making a lower low. And you're making lower levels of negative momentum. Bullish divergence Class B form. Sweet, man. Let's see if we can hit it. Let's set an alert up right here. If we start hearing this beep, it's like, oh yeah, man. It has begun. But if we don't hear it, whatever. Oh man, this is scary. Is anyone else scared? Hold on, let me do something, man. Okay, let me know if the music's good, man. What's lit? Verge scam coin? Yeah, Verge trade coin. That's what I call it. That's Tronics, guys. We did a lightning analysis. If you need more Tron infused into your bloodstream, go to our main YouTube page and check that out. Okay? OMG. OMG, it's the OMG coin. Okay, nice breakout, man. We talked about this level, the 1390 area. That's the that's your previous high. You got to break above that. If you break above that, then you're in really good shape to overall reverse this trend that you're in. Okay? So, break above that level, man. Do it. Also, you could set an alert up down here. Maybe buy down here. Low risk, high reward opportunity. You break this level, probably going to hold it. And then you could break to the upside. Guys, remember, OMG, buy around 1284, 1285. Have a stop loss down at 1250, 1255. Then you could sell up here at 1387 if it happened. We're talking about hypotheticals, all right? Oh wait, wrong tool. Sorry. that would be it. If that'd be a nice trade if you could make this happen, but it seems like it might be continuing on. If it does continue on, it'd be wonderful. But I think you're going to come back to this level if you don't break this. If you don't break it and you come back here, got a real good shot of bouncing to try to maybe attempt again. See what happens on OMG, man. Be Jesus, dude. Nice positive momentum right there, man. Above the 50 on the RSI, and highest levels of positive momentum you've seen since this spiky spike over here. 320, so that's like a couple weeks ago. So heck yeah, man. Let's see what we can do, man. Donovan, man, it's tough to say. We look at a lot of coins, so we'll let you know. How about that when we get there? But look, you know, Mia was great because you're just at the bottom of a wedge, just like several others we've looked at. But you know, it's not the only way to trade, man. It's not the only way to trade. Thank you, Alvaro Landata. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you, man. Crypto Tigers, great show. You should get some t-shirts and other stuff made to sell. I'd buy some things. Hey, Mission Control, I think we're working on that. Mission Control. Find out BNB on the list, Emrys. No, but since you contributed those bits, man, we'll go to BNB next. How about that, dude? Is that fair? We have a bit request. Alright, that's it. That's your trade for this. If you break out of this, you got a real chance to run hard until 1501 and all the way up to 1551. I mean, then your next high is 1612, man. So we're going to BNB. There you go. Hello, Bueller. Remember? Rising Wedge? Kappa? Not Kappa? For real? Oh yeah, no. Dang it, man. BK Hood, I'm definitely getting crypto mugs made, and it's gonna have. So I'm making sure we're trying to work on the lighting analysis mug logo, like this one here. And you've seen our grounded trading logo, and so the mug's gonna have each mug on each side with Hyped on Crypto. So be pretty sweet, right? What's the measure move down? It's 15939, Emrys. 15939 Satoshis. So not much more to talk about besides, yeah, look, we fell below that 50 area for the first time since really the 21st of March. Think about that. You've been over 50 on the RSI since the 21st. I don't know, Aked. No one's asked about EOS. I'm going to put on the list. Good entry, question mark. Lockhead. We'll see, man. We'll be able to post to the world, man. As long as you live on Earth. But we're hoping everyone goes to the moon. So then you won't need anything. Boom, Jonathan. Boom, man. What's up, Corey? Thanks for being here, man. Really do appreciate you, dude. So look, we did the measured move from the rising wedge. Right, you'd say right here we'd start. It's like 2,300 sats, so it's not a big of a measure move, honestly. So there you go, 2,300 sats right there. Yep. There you go, man. Measure move. It's not a big deal, but you never know, man. Those things can keep going, so don't bank on it being like a bottom or anything from this correction that we're seeing on BNB. So you do Jesus, man. Just know your bearings. Okay, hope that helps, Emrys. Thanks for the bits, man. That's what you get. When you contribute bits, you get to the front of the line, dude. So next on the list, fun. Viorisu? Thank you so much for the follow on Twitch, man. You Jesus, dude. We can do that. You can question about TS in chat and Discord, man. Thanks so much, Viorisu. Oh, so fun on 4 hour. So, ooh. Man, that's nasty. It's like your positive momentum's just going to crap, man. Look at that. Just drying up, man. So, you know, upward sloping flag crap. I'm not cool with that. You're getting some sort of price contraction, symmetrical triangle at the same time, too. But there's a lot of noise and a lot of wicks, man. It's just not my thing, dude. Nothing really sticks out to me. Oh yeah, that's right. This is the one that like broke out, but just like it didn't break out. It just like walked out. It like sleepwalked out on no volume, just nothing. It's like it's the John Travolta, man. You know when someone does bits, the John Travolta goes, I don't know what's going on. That's fun when it's breaking out right now. It's like, I don't know, man. I don't know. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But my God, man. Like, what do you even do with this? I guess you could maybe trade it, right? You could do something like this. Look for the body closes down here. Okay. Body close up there. Try and buy down here. Sell up here. Looks like you got some upward sloping stuff though, remember? So if you hit this level again, it'd be a nice buy, and then let's sorry guys. You're not getting that, so okay, so oh, look at these wicks, man. Ugh, God, it's like low volume crap, dude. There's your huge resistance zone. The smaller the resistance zone, the better, I think, just because you can be more comfortable about your stop loss and entry position. When you have them this large, this wide apart, it makes it a little bit more challenging, because at some point if this came down, it could touch this level, never wick down because it's where the body's closed, and then bounce off that, and you miss out on the trade. And then if you said, I don't want that to happen, so you bought up here and then it wicks down, and then it breaks down from there, it's like, oh man, that sucks. So your risk to reward has to be there, okay? So we could do something like this, man. You could try anyway. You could either since we hit that level, I mean, we fell 1, 2, 3 times, and then 6 times? No, 5 times total. Yeah, no. 6 times total we fell in this area, and only half the time we hit the bottom of the resistance zone. So you're really gambling. It's hard to say, man. 3.2 to 1 here. But then if you wanted to, you could just be like, oh, okay, fine. I'll just go like, you can do something like that. This is where a wick touched instead of this wick. So you could do something like that too. And if you miss out, oh well, whatever. Sell up here. This is where every single time you're getting, you're almost making it here every single time. So 3.8 to 1 risk to reward. This is something you could look at for fun, I guess. But we'll see, man. Symmetrical triangle stuff. You can see it. Symmetrical triangle stuff. So you break out of that, it's going to be pretty gross, man. So I don't know if you're going to get this nice level and then not break down. So we'll see, man. We'll see. I don't know if you got it in you. Yeah, man. It's not really the best, just based on how weird it is. So I've seen much better setups than this. So that's fun. Let's go to XRP now. Is it respecting the TA? Someone asked. Yeah, it is, man. Wow. Are you serious? You see this, guys? You see this wick, dude? Holy crap. We getting stream snipe, man? That's unreal, man. Can you do a recap on this? Let me, 4-8. Did we do this today or yesterday, man? Can't even remember. Either way, look, you had this area. Should have known. I think, honestly, man, none of this existed when we did this. It makes sense, though. We looked at this and we said we missed out on the boat, and look what it did. It came down, touched it, limit buy, hit, boom. All the algos and the geniuses and the Jesuses, man, they all filled and then shot up. We're making it up to the upside. So that's crazy, man. 3 days ago. Oh my God, that's insane, man. Will we please add ICX and BQX? Yeah, Donovan. It's a pretty long list. We're probably not going to get to it. But man, you know, these things, first come, first serve type thing, and we have a ton of coins, and I'll do everything in my power to get down there, man. But you know how it is. View count starts dropping off. We don't start getting, like, we don't get subs and stuff. It's just kind of like, you get deflated, and it's like, okay, might as well just turn it in for another day, right? So we're going to, you know, look, maybe run to this level. You'd want to see an exit at that 72.87 level if you could get there, and then if you can, wonderful. If you can't, oh freaking well, you didn't make it much of a risk at all on this trade, so you risk nothing. That's it, man. There's not much more to talk about besides TAs being respected like crazy, man. Okay, so you don't have much strength at all, like none, dude. Just lower high, wicking, getting wrecked, man. And these take time, man. These are 4-hour candles. They're not gonna pull Neos. We just Neo was just in a great buy opportunity, a great value level at the bottom of a wedge. I mean, yeah, that went wonderful, you know, but this is not a wedge. This is just a little trade channel, and great stuff on that wick, man. So see what happens with it. If we zoom out, take a, this broke out, you know, of a wedge, but it's not doing anything. It's range bound until it's not. So it's either going to break to the downside or break out. And if it breaks out, then the trade would be complete. The trade would definitely be complete if it broke out. So we'll see what happens with XRP. Keep your eye on it. We'll see if we can hit that 72.87. That's the target for the trade. 5.19 to 1 risk to reward. Be to Jesus, man. Okay? You're talking about Ripple, man? I guess, yeah. Same crap. And this broadening wedge stuff, looks like. You're below a key level of support. That's not good. Key level of support. See if we can get a wedge pattern. I'm sure we do something, man. It looks like a wedge, maybe. Kind of weird wedge. Meh. Yeah, it looks like a wedge to me, man. It's like, man, why'd you do that, dude? It's like, because you had this here. You already had this drawn, and it broke down and then busted right back above it, completely rejecting the breakout of this wedge. So you just kept it there. That's what you would do. And then look what happened. 1, 2 more times. You had a descending double bottom. The descending double bottom, we've seen it time and time again. Neo actually did that. Bitcoin's done that. It'll hit this level. It'll bounce up. It'll double bottom, the lower low, and then break to the upside. Exactly what it did. Show you more examples of that in a little bit, okay? Okay, so yeah, you broke out, right? Is that what you're talking about? Or maybe it's like this, man. Maybe it was all like this. Maybe we're crazy, dude. Maybe it's already broken out. We did that. Alright, you looking like that, man? Maybe that's it. Alright, you have as many touches as you want. So, yeah, you broke out. Okay, that makes sense. Hey, you're channel bound, though. This was a great trade setup area, too, right? Yeah, man. Great area, man. Great area. Same thing. Same setup. Same type of trade formula, right? Stop loss there. Sell up here. 13.8 to 1 risk to reward. Are you freaking kidding me? Hello? What more do you want, guys? What do you need? What else do you need? 13.8, 1 to 1 risk to reward. Be to Jesus, man. Okay. That's it, man. There's your XRP to US dollar. I hope that helps, Pablo. Okay. Alright, let's see, man. We're going to go to sub. Sub's been talked about a lot. Sub underwater, sub not underwater, Stuart. There you go. You've hit both targets. That's it, man. Symmetrical triangle breakout. 50%, the 618. There it is, man. We haven't looked at this in days, dude. We haven't looked at it at all. What do you want, man? What more do you want? We didn't hit the measure move. We hit the 50% of 618. We said we could look at both in this market condition. We chose the fibs. We chose the fib targets because the market sucks. And guess what? This past 4-hour period, you hit that freaking 618 light to Jesus. Hello? Anybody? Is anyone there to know that we just hit target? Oh my God. Unbelievable. The TA, there's just too much respect for the TA, guys. Y'all are disrespecting it too much. Great levels of positive momentum. Highest level of positive momentum you've had since the 21st of March on this spiky spike, pumpy dump. Right? It actually was part of the symmetrical triangle that we had that measure move. We measured up here. It was no bueno, but we did top to bottom. We thought that was a little too good, too high. But you know what, man? It's not over. It's still going, but I'm just saying you just hit target. Just hit profit taking level exit positions on sub on the 4-hour. You're at 79 RSI. The last time you did that, that was back at 312. March 12th, you hit the same levels of RSI. Wow, man. Before that, January 5th. Wow. Beautiful, guys. Freaking beautiful. Go sub. Was anyone in on this? Who the heck? Who in the freaking heck asked to have this analyzed? And then we analyzed it for you way before any of this happened. Did you, like, buy this? Did you get in or something? Did you do something? Because, like, I don't know why I'm analyzing and doing targets and stuff for you on how to trade if you're not going to actually do it. If you're not going to, like, take the, you know, take your profit here and here and get out. Someone let me know if someone, like, did something with this. Seriously. So, that's sub, man. That's the trade. It's over. Time to go get drunk. ADA. Still within the symmetrical triangle, man. Man, wow, look at that, dude. Look at that. We've been talking about this one. Seriously, man, that's unbelievable. Unfreaking real, dude. Wow. Obviously not a head and shoulders pattern. It contradicted that really well. 2237 area. Neo gone up again. Bitcoin's gone up a little bit again. So, hey guys, we have 12 minutes left on the 4-hour candle. Okay, big deal, guys. Coming up. It's do or die time. Huh. You would have had divergence if this candle didn't. Wait, look at that. How it went up like that. The trade ended. People bought down here and sold up here. Smart people. We harped on this a lot, Brady. I mean, like, we're not bull crapping. If you were in this live stream, what was it, last night? We literally talked about the areas, buying and selling. And look what we did. Went up here and now we're wicking back down, back into this upward sloping channel crap. Crazy, man. Just crazy. You're breaking that key level of resistance though. Look. Seriously, 2237. That's not a joke, man. That's a big deal. That's a step you have to make. You want to be to Jesus again. Okay? Yes, you can, Voxy Gone. Certain exchanges allow you to short Bitcoin. So, yes. Ready for the Bitcoin dump, Chobo? I don't know, man. I don't know if it's time yet. You might get one more move up, one move down. 10 minutes left on a 4-hour candle. I think some moves are about to happen. Whether we go to the bottom of the channel, or excuse me, the bottom of the trend line, the bottom of the wedge, to the top of the wedge, I'm not sure, man. We just hit the top, so we could retrace back down, bounce off it a little while. But you know what's going to happen when we break down out of that. We'll get that measure move, and that'll be 67.74, and that'll be a pretty steep drop if we break out of that bearishly. So I would love to be contradicted on TA, guys. How many times do I say it? I want to fail. I want the bulls to just laugh at me and be like, haha. Told you, Ray. Told you. The bulls will prevail. Start showing me some bullish patterns. How about that, man? And we'll talk about the bulls. Okay, so that's ADA. Beautiful stuff. People made a lot of money there. In cash. Here we go. Forgive all this, man. I think we're in the 1 hour. Squeeze your double bottom to Jesus, man. Oh, that was it, man. That was it, right? It's that ascending triangle. Look. 39.40 Satoshis. Whatever from the breakout. Was that it? Yeah. Right around there. It was off a couple Satoshis, man. Look at that measured move up hit like to Jesus, man. Are you here? Are you guys freaking here right now? Is anyone here? Chat's like kind of slow tonight. Alright, man. Lots of volume. Hit the measure move and you broke down. What more do you want, man? What more do you want? Multiple reaction lows, multiple reaction highs. Beautiful. Broke to the upside. You hit your target. Now you've broken down. Now you're using this old level of resistance as support. ADX ready to pop? I don't know, man. Maybe it is. Maybe it is. We'll have links soon for merch, guys. Yeah, y'all need to drink again, man. I'm still talking. I'm just saying, man. Are y'all just hanging out? Are y'all just staring at Neo or something? So I don't know, man. It should be out of this trade. Sending triangle. You to Jesus, man. Who was in on this? Who freaking asked about it? Who asked about it when we plotted this? Somebody? Donovan, it's over, man. Dude, the trade's over on Encash, man. What more do you want? Accumulation. You have a resistance here. A big sell wall. You break down again. Make your reaction low, and then you break to the upside, and then you trade's complete. The measure move's done. It's over. No more on the move. The move's done. Pumpy dumpy. Because tradey trade. Okay? Encash. Done. Get it out of here. Completed trade. I swear, you guys asking me about trade setups, better be taking them. Like, you know, if they're low risk, high reward, why would you not take them? You know, why would you not make money on this? I don't even know why I'm doing it if you're not going to, like, take action on the measured move and sell up there and make money, and then it dumps, and you're like, oh my god, I can't believe it. ENG. Hit the 50%, remember, guys? ENG on that breakout. Oh yeah, man. 2446 Satoshi area. Hit that, bounced off of it. Now you're just moving. Kind of going lateral. That's okay. It's not really upward sloping, so I guess that's good. But I think you're okay here. But look how they hit the 50%. Retrace, guys. Remember, that was one of the targets. Is it traded around ETH? Yeah. I'd be waiting for that level we talked about to short it. That's what I would be doing. Okay, man. You broke out. You hit your 50% retrace. That was the one profit-taking level. Okay. You've broken down. Now you're using this this area, 20,446, as support. We'll see if we can hold it. If we can hold it, then we're going to go up to the 382, 50% again, and then your second profit-taking level is going to be at 23,221. Okay? But you should have sold half your shares, half your coins, right here. Still be in this trade. Oh look, there it is. Derp. We did a video on it. It's all documented, so whatever. Jeez, man. We're on fire, are we not? We're on freaking fire. That's like seriously. There's your ENG, man. I don't know, man. Don't fall below this. You fall below this 20,446, it's over, man. It's done. It's done. You got in on this. Set that stop loss below this level, okay? Just do it, man. Do it. Get out of that if it falls below that level. I'm telling you. Vib. Vibrate coin. Keva. Sweet, man. Sweet. In the past 8 hours or so, 12 hours, that target got hit. You buy here, you sell here, you make your profit, and you are the Jesus. Really, man? You know this level's here. You see this level all over here. It's tough to say, man. This is the problem. This is the big problem. So you have multiple levels. You have a huge huge support area, support zone, and multiple times you've hit down here, so it's hard to. Hey, TR Fun Guy, man. Thank you so much for the sub on Twitch, man. You just do. We couldn't do that. You can get questions about TS in the chat and Discord, man. Thanks so much, Fun Guy. TR Fun Guy. Thanks, brother. Guys, anytime you contribute to this stream, we're only making an investment in this stream to make the quality better. Okay? That's it, man. So, yeah, man. You could have gone here and bought, and you could have gotten stopped out. It's tough to say, man. This one was not that easy, okay? Just because, where do you buy? Tough to say, man. These levels down here were great, but multiple times you fell like that, so maybe you could just do something like this. I don't know. But then all of a sudden your risk reward's terrible. I don't know. Wait. It's skewed. It's skewed some. Oh, right there, though. It's safe. All right, it's right there. You could have taken a shot on that trade. Had your stop loss down here, and you'd have been 3.45 to 1 risk to reward, man. That would have still been great. Buy here, sell here. You'd have done it. It'd have hit. It'd been perfect. But here's the thing. This is an ascending triangle. This is beautiful. This is due for, I think, if we could don't crap out, 2160 Satoshi measurement would be wonderful. Your best entry is always at these levels. Why do we get this wick? Traders. We'll probably never see this level again. We'll probably break to the upside and break out and hit 2160. I'm not saying buy in. I'm not saying buy in. I'm saying that's probably what will happen at this point. I think that was one of your last opportunities to get the absolute best price. But that can always not happen too. So that's why you don't buy in here, because you'll get wrecked. You could get wrecked. Terrible risk to reward at this point. Neo pumping again. Heck yeah, man. Let it pump, man. Let it pump. To the moon, man. RCN. Oh wait, nope. We're not doing anything yet. It's 3 till. 3 till, guys. Jeez, man, that's crazy, dude. What's up, Brian? Thanks for being here, man. How do I use my moving average lines? My MAs? I use my simple 50, 20, 200. Ryan. There you go, man. Guys, it's that time. Your local on the 8s. Let's go to Bitcoin, guys. Ooh. Bearish pin bar. Bearish pin bar, guys. If you respect the TA, you should be seeing lower prices. Just saying, man. That is a reversal. It's a very nice looking reversal, man. So IOST dumping makes sense, wouldn't it? It was an incredible run it had. I mean, my God, it's an insane run. I just don't know how high you think some things can go. It's just it made the measure move on the cup and handle. That's incredible, man. I just think that's fascinating in this kind of crappy market that it did that. So, you know, we're finally looking at this on the 1 hour. We plotted all this on the 4 hour, so we got to readjust a little bit. That's like freaking perfect, man. Ooh, did you get scared? There you go, man. That's it. Beautiful wedge. Beautiful rising wedge. Sold the news. There you go, man. It's gonna happen. The news gets sold. So, you know what? On the 1 hour, I don't think we're, well, so you made, here's your positive momentum on this high. Then you made a pretty much double top. Okay, you double topped. And you pretty much, oh, here it is. Candle close. It's begun, guys. That would have been it. Donovan, the news would have gotten sold off and they'd have been screwed, man. So, I don't know. We hit the top. Beautiful short position. Beautiful low risk, high reward short area right here. Like, wonderful. Got in here. Good job, man. See this thing come down the bottom of the channel. You can sell some here. That'd be great, dude. But hey, you run up one more time. You can double top on this wick. Come back down. But it's kind of weird that you have this bearish pin bar, this textbook bearish pin bar pattern, and you don't reverse. So maybe, I don't know. You put these two together, it's almost like a spinning top. No, it's really a doji. These two, this mathematics right here, candlestick mathematics, put these two together, add them together, where the candle closed, all this would be gone. You just have a wick. You'd have one doji. With a long-legged doji is what you'd have right here between these two. That'd be it. QLC just notified you to buy. That's weird. They shouldn't be calling you, letting you know that you should be buying, man. Maybe you should be careful, dude. Very small market cap. Yeah, man. So, okay. Alright, we're going to move on. That's the 1 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour real quick. So, yeah, man. It's the same thing. Like, nice green candle closed, but this candle closed with a wick validating this resistance area. So, they can come back up here one more time and test it, but, or you could just keep doing this, riding it up and touching it one more time up here, and then, you know, breaking down, and then boom, measure move down. We measured that, if we, you know, if that happened, man. 219 Satoshis, man. So wherever we broke out, or $219, excuse me, wherever it was. I thought we already did this, man. No? Guess we didn't. Guess if we broke out here. $68.54. That'd be it right there. Okay. Measure move and breakout from that area. So wherever it does break out, it's going to be a little off. We'll have to measure it. Okay, man. 4 hours still above the 50. But again, you still have that Class B bearish divergence. No, excuse me, Class C. Class C. Okay, that's Bitcoin. Let's go to Litecoin. Selling starting. Probably a pretty decent place to short too, man. A huge pumpy pump like that. Dumpy dump. Could see it, man. Nice positive momentum, but still like nothing compared to this run, this wedge. We'll see, man. We'll see what happens. Will we form another pattern? Doesn't look like it really, right? Remember, the 50% is that measured move up with that slanted head and shoulders crap we got. 124.93, right? Gas may be breaking out. Well, I thought it already broke out. It was just about to be moving to the upside soon. We'll take a look at it, Chris. We can. If we can, dude. Okay, because we have 1 million coins. Okay. I mean, why would gas not, right? Because Neo, right? Remember? Surprised it's not. So, above 50 on the RSI on the 4 hour. So, yeah, man. Good stuff, dude. Good freaking stuff. But you look, the 122 area is a level of resistance, okay? We're not going to deny that. Zoom out a little bit. Here's the thing. That wedge, right? You're still within it. I know you fell out of it a little bit. But you're back in it. You came up here, almost touched it, the top. And now you're just marching laterally. So... But again, that 124.07 area is going to be a wonderful place to start a short. Maybe even the 123.27 area could be a good place to short as well. So if you look left, it's your highest area right there before all the way up here. But yeah, whatever, man. Best of luck to you. Okay, whatever, Litecoin. Not much different. Waiting on Bitcoin to make a move. Don't do it. So we would be waiting to get a triple top, whatever, up here. That would be wonderful. You take a short there. Flag crap. And yeah, let the money come to you. If you can get up to this level and you open that short, you have a 15.92 to 1 risk to reward. It'd be wonderful. Okay, man. That's it, man. No divergence, okay? No, none at all. Okay. Well, you had some. You had some here. Remember we talked about the divergence, the Class C bullish divergence right here. You double bottomed on your momentum. You made a low and then made a lower low. That's Class C bullish divergence. Okay, looking beautiful on the RSI, but again, this is highly affected and highly sensitive to Bitcoin. So we'll see what happens, man. Okay. RCN. Oh. Neckline? Anyone remember this? Inverse head and shoulders? People asking me about this coin. You guys remember this stuff? I'm just going through like, 100 coins a day or something, doing requests, and I'm just plotting and drawing, and it's up to you to take action to kind of like mimic what I'm doing, and then maybe like be like, oh my god, it did that thing, man. Unreal, man. You know the measure move? I do that. Bottom here. To the neckline. Which the neckline looks like it could be up here, honestly. My god, there's so much wickage. Looks like here. Yeah, and here. 137 Satoshi. Measure move up. We went way beyond that, didn't we? Crazy, man. Yeah, there's your measure move right there. So, went higher than that. Crazy, man. Very, very crazy. 1394 Satoshis. Now we're at 1486. Almost 100 sats more. Approaching that overbought territory. Highest level of positive momentum you've seen since the 26th of March. This pumpy dumpy. So, RCN likes pumpy dumpies. But man, that was beautiful. Hello? Just checking out chat, guys. Forgive me. Yeah, Ian J's on the list, but it's way down there, Hunter. Sorry, just reading chat. It's kind of, nice volume. Nice stuff, man. So, congratulations if you made money on this. I hope you did. I hope you took heed of what we were talking about when we charted this, okay? That's it, man. Alright, congratulations. XLM. We were messing around, guys. Look at that. That wick up there could... we never made it up to this level. Breaking out again. Breaking back out. Sweet, man. Very good. But you fell below this upward slope. It's really a bear pull, bear flag. Okay, let's get rid of this. But we were just messing around, saying we were getting ahead of ourselves, and we just wanted to see, hey man, this could be a possibility. But now it looks like we broke down. It was a false breakout. All right, and came back up, and now you're back within. So you still got a shot. Honestly, it's getting disrespected pretty bad. Huh. Interesting. I would just keep your eye on it, but what's that there, man? This wedge hit target, by the way, when we wicked up here. This was a measured move up. We already did that. That was that measured move, 29.54. It hit that. So get rid of that too. Wonderful. TA being respected all the time. So we're back in this area. That's great news though. When you fall out of flags like that, you wick up, you get back in them, that's a really good sign. That's stuff you want to see. That's like the bears failing to screw the price and make it go lower. That's them failing bad. And guess what, guys? Back outside of this huge trend line, pinpoint accurate, top. See this? There you go, your touch points from all-time highs. You have broken back out. There you go. Wonderful. See, we can keep going, man. Your first target got to be that 3,041. I don't know what kind of resistance you're hitting right now. I mean, that's a really weak resistance you're hitting, these little wicks here. So I think you should come up and test that 3,041 area. I think that'd be really healthy. I think that could be very possible. So this is a neckline though. Don't fall below this level. That'd be really bad. You would make a measure move down to here if you did fall below this area. So see what happens though. Okay. Okay, XLM broke out. See if we can break key levels of resistance, right? Be to Jesus, man. That's it. IOST, the dumpening. IOSTdump.com. Wow. Okay, we missed that measured move barely, didn't we? We talked about, you know, trades and stuff, low risk, high reward situations. We never got back down to that. It looks like your only opportunity was here. You had one time. Your second time was the last time you ever saw that. So, you know, we did the measure move right here to here. What is that, 72 from the breakout? Wow, 72. What were we doing then? Were we measuring like this wick? Oh man, we must have been measuring like the 1 hour or something. But guys, zoom out. That was the measure move, 72. From here, see where this body is to this body. Measure like that on slower time scales. If you measure on the 1 hour, all of a sudden you have multiple candles instead of wicks, and then it gives you a false sense of security on your measure move. So you can mess that up. So the measure move was here, 72. So, wow, head and shoulders, real bad head and shoulders. You can clearly see it. Look at the 1 hour. I bet it's disgusting on the 1 hour. Yeah, man. Look, shoulder, head, shoulder again. Neckline, slanted neckline. Get wrecked, man. Look at that, man. That was it. Party's over. Well, it's not as bad as I've seen, but it's still pretty freaking bad, man. That's nasty. Those are really bad, man. Those type of head and shoulders that look like that. Just be careful. Negative momentum building higher high, and your negative momentum than your previous level. So really weak on the RSI now on the 1 hour, 35. Be careful. We need to talk about it for the newer people in here that don't know. Guys, how do you do a measure move for your cup and handle, the Jesus handle? Neckline, 122. From the neckline, do the measure move, man. what happened. You see this wick here? Don't worry about that guy. That was the trade there. That was the trade. Then you had your measure move from here to here. It went up somewhere around this area. And that also hit too. We were wrong though. We probably did our measure move on the 1 hour, and don't do that, guys. You can get screwed. So, hey man, wonderful, wonderful stuff. IOST. Just wanted to show you IOTA. Can somebody just go rewind the video of when we talked about IOTA, like yesterday? Just talk about it. Can somebody please? Wow, we are on freaking fire. Unfreaking believable, man. I'm just having a lot of fun, man. I love TA, dude. Crazy, man. Freaking crazy. As long as you stay outside of this huge falling wedges trend line, you keep bouncing along, you should be fine. And then we broke and we hit this level and we're like, okay, we're moving up some. All right, now we have to break above these areas. It's 14,566, 14,664 area. We've broken it, guys. We broke it. And look, the next target's 15,630. Break and hold above this level. Might be a, actually, this might be a, if you can hold, really good risk to reward opportunity. Wow. I'm telling you guys right here, man. Kidding me, dude? That's it, man. 6.31 to 1 risk to reward ratio on IOTA. I could go much, much higher. You buy here, 14,666. Satan Kappa. Satan's trade. Ugh, scary. But yeah, whatever. This is your buy. This is your sell. Make money, man. 94 cent. Crypto Late Bloomer. Coinbase does F people. So what's up, Jamie? Jamie from Periscope. Hope you're doing well, man. We'll see if we can hold this level if we can, or maybe we can hook off of it. That would be even better. And then we buy, and then boom, sell up here, and then be to Jesus, man. Stop loss. You lose 1% on that stop loss. Oh, I love it, man. BCN. Messing around. I mean, I guess you're channel bound, right? You truly want me to do this, man. Satoshi each. Whoa. Okay. Okay, guys. So, 3-to-1 risk to reward. No, it's literally 1 Satoshi, man. Never talking about trading this, dude. We don't care about it. Look, yeah, okay, cool, man. Yeah, nasty downtrend. But look at the channel, though. We're in this freaking channel, man. You trade this. You don't trade it long term, man. It's not doing anything that makes us think it's long term. It's just, you want to make 2 sats, 3-to-1 on your sats, guys. Buy at 29 sats. Don't you dare settle for anything more than 29 sats and sell at 32 sats. Be to Jesus, man. But unfortunately, you know, they only wicked once, so 20 people trading it, man. Well, there you go, man. Join them if you want. Whoever asked about it, that's what you do. That's what you do, man. So there you go, dude. Congratulations and good luck. Vibe, V-I-B-E. I really don't think that's it. I think it's like this, man. I think you're going to disregard that wick and just use the bodies. I think that's the wedge. I don't think that wick, that screws everything up. It doesn't make sense. You get way more touches like doing that, so. Support zone down here. Okay. You wicked up here. You want to buy down here, sell up here. You may not get another opportunity. Seriously, may not get another opportunity. The measure move of this wedge right here. Guys, got an announcement. Okay, just one on since we're here. We're all here and we've been in the thick of it, analyzing a ton of coins for y'all now. I wanted to bring up that we will be starting classes. Okay, I know we're doing one-on-ones now. That's not going to change, but we're going to start doing regular classes on different subjects with crypto that you can like get a seat in that class, and that's going to be starting sometime the week of April 16th. So I just wanted to bring that to your attention, and I want to send y'all a link if I can. I don't know if I can, dude. It has begun, guys. Just want to let you know. It's time to announce. Take a look at the chat. I've just posted a link. Go there and check it out. But, you know, I'll read it along with you. God, I hate this Windows 10 crap, man. I'm telling you, it doesn't let you, like, do certain things. It's a 404 error, really? Aw. You lie. So guys, look. I'm gonna be starting a Patreon, man. What? Let me post it again then. Is that wrong? So look, what's included in this Patreon. Guys, we got, you're going to get a Discord title. You join the Patreon, Discord bot with a price checker. You're going to get a tip of the week from me. You're going to get recaps of our trade setups. You're going to get the best possible trade setups, monthly giveaways, monthly newsletters, potential trend reversals, scheduled education courses, 2 minimum if you're part of this, anniversary givebacks, man, text message trade setups. Are you kidding me, man? And then you're going to get, when we start doing trial runs on certain different things that we keep adding, you're going to get trial runs of that. So, and you're going to get 25% discount on future Hyped on Crypto tools and services, 15% discount on merchandise. So, yeah, guys, things like that, okay? So that's it. I want y'all to know that it's going out there. What happened to the link? There we go. Hyped on Crypto Live's doing it better than me, okay? So that's it, man. But I just wanted to announce that we're going to have multiple. We're going to have 1-star, 2-star, and 3-star, okay, guys? 3-star early adopter. That's going to expire June 30th, that price. So, yeah, guys, just take a look at it. It's for real. So, yeah, man. Starting 2 weeks, I think. We're going to be doing classes. And, my God, the one-on-ones, we're getting more and more of them. So, you do realize if you want to get in on one-on-ones with me before it starts becoming like I either have to up the rates to stupid amounts because of how much demand there is, or I won't be able to do it. So just let me know, because you know we're all growing together, right? We respect the TA here at hypedoncrypto.com, guys. So just letting you know. But breakout, measure move, 2648 on Vibe. See what happens. If it came back down here, I would buy here. Low risk, high reward situation. There you go, man. So you can either sell here, sell half here, 4.4 to 1 risk to reward, or you can do something like this, where you're like, okay, I'm a gamble. I think maybe we did the measure move. Even if we broke down here, then it'd be a 7.37 to 1 risk to reward. But for now, I think this would be the safe play. If we could come down here and touch this level again, you don't have much risk involved. Look at the value. You've been beaten down for so long. Maybe it's time. Okay, and if you break down lower than that, who cares? You're losing nothing. Nothing, man. So, great trade setup if you can come down and hit this 2218 level, okay? That's it, man. Can we call Bitfinex? Nah, dude. No way, man. Never. They wouldn't answer me. That's it, man. A lot of pumpies tonight. Do you get to move into my house if you pay rent? Sure. Is one-on-one price per class, or is it the link? It's per class, Jules. So like it's completely separate from anything Patreon. If you want a one-on-one with me, you would just pay individually for one class. So appreciate that, Stuart. UG's, man. Classes, does it come with a tequila bottle? You might have to BYOT, bring your own tequila, DJ. A great hold coin, LFox. BNB. LFox BNB. Intrinsic value. It's the only hold coin I kind of actually believe in. I mean, I like Monero, but for real, BNB makes money, so it has value. It's the only way I can tell you. I have to see, you know, the only defense I have if someone asks me why. They make money. Not sure what time the classes will be at. We got Hyped on Crypto Live that'll tell you more about it in the chat, right, Mission Control? Sweet, man. Hey, Brent Kelly, thanks so much for the joining. Was that our second Patreon? Wow, Brent. Thanks so much for that. Looking forward to the new journey together. Okay? Thanks again, Brent. Okay, guys. Multiple schools of thought. You could just run up to hit the measure move, or you could come down. This would be a great buy opportunity, buying zone. Stop a little lower here, and then boom, break to the upside, make your trade, be to Jesus, man. 5, keep your eye on it. ONT, double topped, got wrecked at the 11618, made it to the Andromeda Galaxy and turned it around. Still going down. So there you go, man. I need mission control to tell me when you know, we have people that I'm gonna need access to that. Here we go. Hyped on Crypto Live. Classes will be announced soon. Please keep an eye out on Discord and the live streams. We're working on the sign-up form for classes and other services like one-on-ones that you can purchase on the site. But until then, just PM me in Discord if you want to do those one-on-ones. So, hey, Jimmy, thank you so much. Another Patreon joined our team. Really do appreciate you, man. Couldn't do it without you. I'm gonna do everything in my power to make sure you get everything you need, dude. Okay? Make sure you get value for those dollars, man. Y'all are amazing. Really do. Appreciate y'all. ONT had the wonderful Ascending Triangle textbook. I don't think Sharon's in here. We did a one-on-one today, and we're talking about ascending triangles. And look at this triangle. Wonderful entry down here. Low risk, high reward. But little did you know how high the reward would be going to the moon, men. You want to learn about ascending triangles? We'll teach you. We'll freaking teach you. Hey, Rory, man. Thank you so much for the Patreon, man. Wow, man. Hey, Rory, switch to the non-100 one, man, because you can get the other benefits. Because like the 100 one right now, it's pretty much like we don't want anyone using the 100 right now because it's the same thing as the 85 one, and it's like remember in June the $85 Patreon, that will go away and it'll become the 100. So make sure to try to change that. Okay, we don't want you to like be spending more. So, and we're gonna make sure that no one does that. So appreciate you, Jimmy. What's happening with TRX? Says Wumsd. I don't know, man. Is it getting wrecked? Might have broken down, or maybe it went to the moon. But there's not much more to talk about though. It was the talk of the week, right? We talked to this ad nauseum. This was a beautiful trade setup. We called this being the buy zone. If you'd have gotten in here, you'd made 4-1 on your money up here. If you'd have let some ride because it's an ascending triangle after a nice trend, you'd have made much, much more. Okay, ONT to Jesus. So, hey, MK Honey, man, thank you so much for the sub. What do we call it? It's not the sub. Is it the Patreon? Do we call it the Patreon? There's a channel that's made that word kind of dirty. I hate it. So what do we even say, guys, about it? Thank you so much, MK Honey. You Jesus, man. Really are, man. Well, MK Honey's his name on Twitch, man. So I think that's fair, right? And sorry, man. I only said one person's one. TRX. Let's go to TRX real quick. Everyone's freaking out. Everyone wants TRX. They get their TRX. Stopped out. Stopped out. No big deal. Broke down. Yeah, what do you want, man? It's you had some sort of good look. You broke out of this. You could have had an opportunity here. You lost out on what? 7 sats. You lost out on 7 sats. Now you're breaking down, man. I mean, whatever. Low risk, higher reward. That's it, man. So Brad says you get more for the 85 early adopter deal than you do with the 100 Patreon. Yep, that offer ends June 30th. So look what we're doing. We're tanking. Portronics. No problem, man. It's not really a big deal. 7 sat loss if you got in on that. Because if you didn't have a stop loss, that is your own fault. We said it multiple times. You do not trade without stop losses, guys. If you're in here right now listening, and if you want to trade, if your next step after buying that coin is not setting a stop loss. You are literally doing the wrong things. Complete wrong things, okay? Need you to know that. Heck yeah, Hector. Hector calling RC in last broadcast, man. Heck yeah, man. Jules, man. Thanks so much for the support, dude. Patreon, man. Jules, MK Hani, Rory, and Jimmy, man. Y'all the pioneers. And also Brent. Brent, Jimmy, Rory, Michael, and Jules. Y'all are all to Jesus, man. Thanks so much for all the support. You've got my word. I'll do everything in my power to give you all the value in that, okay? Yeah, Jules, you to Jesus, man. Freaking Bit Wars. Y'all are having Patreon wars now. Can we check Neo again? Yeah, Donovan. Sure, man. Yeah, Tronics. Look at that, man. Wicked. 4 hour, not much change, right? You haven't hit that 618 cents, right? No, loot. Absolutely not, man. I mean, like, look, at this point, if I haven't sold you on my ability to teach TA and stuff like that, then you might as well. You're never gonna believe me. So, you see what I'm saying, man? It's really been building content, creating content for the past over, I guess, 2 months now, and it's like if you've been watching and you believe in me, then you should definitely know it's not going to be like that. So, thanks, Donovan. Man, you just did. You would let that through before P3D. Where are they at, man? Why are they not here anymore, dude? Good Lord, dude. Thanks again, guys. Y'all are amazing. So, yeah, that's Neo. It's not doing anything. It's, I'd love to see it. What we talked about earlier. Form some sort of bullish consolidation, reset on the RSI. Incredible levels of positive momentum. The highest levels of positive momentum you've seen since this. And that was March 19. What's up, Barack? Thanks for being here, man. You Jesus, dude. TRX has been doing those long drops for the past 3 days and then comes back to the same 530 sat level. You know, it's stupid, man. But you know, it's like after a downtrend, so the risk to rewards kind of meh. You know, it's like in terms of like context of the pattern and stuff. Like this was so beautiful because look at the levels we were at. We were so low. You look left, man. You're finally finding some levels down here, and this was it for me. That was like the spot I said this would have been like perfect. We were just a little bit off, just a tidbit off. We double bottomed, right? We had that descending double bottom one more time, and that was all she wrote. It bounced off that. We kept testing that level, and then that was it. That was it, man. It was a beautiful, beautiful trade, man. Very, very excited about that one, you know? So, but people will be like, you're wrong on Tronics, man. Yeah, you lost like 7 sats. 7 sats to win like 20 something, or 25 or 30 or something. That was the risk to reward. It's like, okay, if you didn't make your money on Neo, it's like, tell me I'm wrong on Tronics. Like, you're gonna be wrong on trades. You will be wrong on trades. It's all about taking calculated levels of risk. So when you lose, you barely lose anything. And when you win stuff like this. Think about this trade, losing 5 trades and then this happening. Because you did the same thing over and over and over again, abided by the same trading principles. Would you really care about those trades you lost? No. This made everything up and then like tripled that amount, right? It's the whole point of trading, guys. Doesn't matter how many times you lose. It only matters how much you win when you win. No, this is not a good time to buy back into ONT. No, Drew. Do not do it. Please don't do it, man. Please don't. Okay, did it. ZRX. Yeah, dude, I'm telling you, man, like that, I'm not kidding around. That's why I do this risk reward thing, because it's like, this is your stop. This is where you place your stop loss. And then if someone's like, man, what happened, man? I lost so much money. It's like, yeah, you lost money because you didn't know what you were doing. And you didn't do that. You didn't do the right thing. You cherry picked on what I said. You literally cherry picked. People do that. ZRX was Breaking out of a triangle in a good way or a bad way, man? Oh, nice, Aukhead. Nice. Yeah, you had plenty of opportunities to buy, right? This is buying low. Bull run, right? Symmetric triangle after a nice run up equates to a technical bullish continuation pattern, guys. Boom, loot patient. That's what we're talking about, man. What's up, Emirates? Ooh, Viking. Ooh. Hey, man, Viking. What up? How many subs are we at, dude? We're almost Viking night again. It's almost that time. Yeah, you're getting all toppy on Bitcoin. I mean, it's up there right now. It's at 71.40. Awesome, but just remember. Just remember, guys, about your trades in these alts. Just remember what happens when Bitcoin decides to dump, if it does dump. A lot of your trades are going to get ruined, and you're going to, you know, get stopped out, and you're going to be right into Bitcoin while it tanks. So, what's up, Duthem Gia? Thanks, man. I've only seen a, you know, it's a 4 hour. I mean, I don't really use a 6 hour. It's just kind of weird, man. I don't know, man. I'm not seeing I see a break. I don't see a hook. All right, I'm just seeing a break on the 6 hour, man. So look, my plot points are literally like here and here. Are you talking about this way? Hey, Jeff Growl 58, man. Thank you so much for the follow on Twitch, man. You Jesus, dude. We couldn't do that. You can question about TS in the chat and Discord, man. Thanks so much, Jeff. Neo going to 64 by today. L Fox, that is a very speculative question. It just had an insane pump. It topped out at that 618 Fibonacci retracement level. So, your 200's EMA. Okay. Oh, hey, guess what though? On the 6 hour, Golden Cross. Are you kidding me? Golden Cross on the 6 hour, guys. Nice one, kid. Look at that. That just happened. That just happened like 6 to 12 hours ago. Crazy, man. Freaking crazy. When's the last freaking time on the 6 hour we had a Golden Cross? When, guys? That's a Death Cross. That's the last time we had a Death Cross in the 6 hour. The last time we had a Golden Cross on ZRX, December 23rd, 2017. When that happened, we had the largest run in ZRX's history. Sounds a lot like Verge, guys. ZRX, 6 hour, Golden Cross to Jesus, man. Aukhead. There you go, man. There you freaking go, dude. Does anyone else, you know, have anything to say about the Golden Cross on ZRX in the 6 hour? Jeff Grauman, thank you so much for those kind words, man. You G's, dude. Thanks for all the support, dude. We appreciate that, man. Okay, guys. Wow. Static video. Sounds like content. Okay, we'll get the credit, man. Thanks, dude. You to Jesus, man. That's better than a 4 hour Golden Cross, guys. Look, I mean, like, maybe it's not, Donovan. I'm not saying buy now. That'd be buying high, right? You should have been buying down here. We literally talked about levels to buy here multiple times in multiple streams when we hit these areas over and over and over again. And everyone in here that saw that can attest to that. And you can go back and look at the live streams when we hit ZRX and know that this is what we said. These are the levels to buy. Buying up here is buying high. That is one of the worst areas to buy. I understand we are breaking it, but we're not hooking according to these trend lines here and here. Okay, so there's no confirmation on this, but nevertheless we do have a Golden Cross and it's quite wonderful. And we just looked at the stat. We just did the stat There it is, man. 12/23, 2017. Too late to buy into Binance, man. Or I'm sorry, ma'am. It's at Binance coin, it's so high. It's so high up there. Kappa, get it? Hemp RX nurse. It's so high. So TRX TA. I don't know, man. Got stopped out. 7 Satoshi loss. Pff. Oh no, man. We're screwed. Low risk, high reward situations. Go talk to Neo. Will it bounce back up? I don't know, man. ZRX, guys. Golden Cross to Jesus. Beautiful Lockhead. You'll get all that credit, man. Take a look at TRX real quick. Go back to it. Bounced right back up, did it not? I wonder why this is so... This is why. This wick right here is why we keep bouncing off. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, man. That area. TRX is somehow using this as a really large level of support. You've seen it twice now. You've wicked right through it, though. You're falling below your 50 on your RSI. That's bad. But, man, we had some nice bullish divergence going on, and now it's starting to get wiry. You're starting to get higher levels, but it's still lower levels than your previous level. So, here you go. Storm, Michael. Is it storm in there, Michael? Or do you just want to see some storm, man? I don't know. We'll see. It's not the price action you want. Whoever was asking, it doesn't look good. Okay, but Tronics is like crack, man. It's insane. It dumpy dumps and then pumpy pumps on news that is out of left field. So whatever, man. 3.86 to 1 risk to reward. You had won 27 sats, you lost 7. Oh no, man, it's the end of the world, we're screwed. Nah, you took a very low risk to possibly get a nice reward. Never happened. That's okay, man. I'm not worried about it. Because my losers lose a lot less than my winners. A ton less. Okay, Vin was next. It's the next request. Ooh, I like this, man. Oh man, nice opportunities here. Jeez, dude, you could have bought down here. You'd be selling, where would you sell? So we had that wedge, right? And we said the measured move would be that 38,366. We almost touched it twice. We just didn't quite get there, man. But if we don't break to the upside, I think Vin could be a very interesting looking trade too, man. Wow, just all you do is use this level and this level. Jeez, man. What's going on? This is great. Look at the value level. $8.3 to 1, are you serious? Jeez, man. You're risking 267 sats to gain 2216 sats. That's incredible, guys. Keep your eye on that. Look, your alert's going to be set up down here. If we ever hit these levels again, which we may not get that luxury, oh well. But if we keep doing this, if we keep looking and finding these areas, eventually one of them's going to come down this level. It's going to bounce off, and it's going to hit target, and you're going to make a ton of money. Huge reward, low risk trades. Is there much more to talk about with this? Not really. We broke out of this wedge, man. This beautiful, beautiful wedge. Oh, it's so wonderful, man. It's like textbook. I want to print it out and frame it and put it on a wall, man. That's what I want to do. So, but I digress from that wedge to this little area that we're within. If we could hit it one more time, please, just one more time, Vin. Give us that level one more time. Okay. Probably won't though. No. We'll see, man. Just be careful. Everything is really scary with Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin, if it tanks, man, ooh, double topping. Hope we don't get some sort of tweezer double top crap on Bitcoin in that rising wedge, man. That'd be really bad, man. That's Vin. There's your opportunity right there, man. Wands and ascending triangle. Yes, it is, right? I thought it broke out, though. It was a descending triangle, then it broke out. No, that's not ascending triangle. Talking about this or something? Like, all it is, the whole thing is just an ascending triangle. I don't know, man. I don't know if you could say this was an ascending triangle and we broke out of it. You could say that, and we're way beyond that now, so. Yeah, another golden cross. But yeah, we'll use simple moving averages. Simple moving averages are way more reliable because they're lagging. Guys, we got 10 till. Been going 1 hour and 50 minutes. Guys, again, I'll give a shout out. Guys, want to give a shout out to Brent, Jimmy, Brewery, MK Honey, Jules Santana, all new members of our Patreon that we've launched, we've started. This is the first time tonight, history, we've talked about it. So, yeah, guys, thanks again for joining. I'm going to do everything in my power, you have my word, to give you the value that you seek in this Patreon, okay? So, do everything I can for you. What's up, Garreton Rodrigo? Thanks for being here, man. No one's requested S&M, ADX for Dan. So, Juan, man, I get what you're saying, but I don't think that's just, you want a triangle not to be the entire chart, okay? Symmetrical triangles, ascending triangles, descending triangles all normally come after a trend, right? They're all within a trend. They're in the midst of a trend. So when you have a move up, you then form a triangle. You don't become a triangle yourself, right? So that's not valid. So that's just the book, the TA, man. The TA law. So for me, I think this is just some upward sloping stuff. If you go lateral for a minute and you go break to higher highs like that, you'll start forming some sort of rising wedge pattern, it seems like. But for now, it's just upward sloping stuff, man. Could do anything. Could do anything, man. Like that. So that's it, man. Don't know what to tell you. It's weird. It already has a run. I wouldn't be buying now. Your risk to reward's terrible. Like, what is your risk to reward? It's nothing. Now you did break this all-time high level. Your your candle's closed above this area here. So there's nothing left. So if you can hold above this level, you could seriously run for a very long time. But again, buying here is pretty scary. So you could easily break down. Look on the 4 hour how overbought you are. I mean, how overbought you've been. But keep your eye on it. Wouldn't recommend buying. Yeah, man. It's just pumpy dumpy, man. Pumpy dumpy. E and J. No ADX for Dan. Yeah, you hear that wedge? Remember he broke out of it? Give another wedge or something? Huh. I don't know, man. Oh, this looks like a channel, right? Some sort of channel. Looks about right there, man. Yeah, downward sloping channel stuff, man. Could buy down here if you ever bottomed out. If it ever happened, man. It may never happen, okay? So don't even get your hopes up here. I'm just saying, hypothetically, you could just do something like this, but a little bit below that. Yeah, look, if you, at some point, you would wait on this, wait a while, hit the top of this, break down to lower prices, come down to this level, it'd be a pretty good buying opportunity here. Have your stop loss below, a little bit below this level. So if you somehow double bottomed off this really long wick, Kappa, that is your lowest low of this entire downtrend, it'd be a pretty nice low risk, high reward opportunity. Okay. Just saying, man. Just saying. And you could sell up here, wherever that is. Around this level would be 3.84 to 1 risk to reward. So, that's it, man. Anytime, Dan. Anytime, bro. Okay, man. So that's ADX. We got 5 till the top of the hour, 3 till you're local on the 8s. US has good entry? Question mark. I don't know, man. We're gonna find out, kid. I mean, I don't really think so. Based on the rising wedge we fell out of, I don't think so. But hey, man. Maybe so, but you see this pattern. I mean, the measured move would be 71,850 Satoshis if it played out, if we respect the TA, but we'll see. You know, we're hitting this level. I mean, look, you know, if you don't make the measured move, if you can hold this 83449 Satoshi level, if you look left, again, incredible level of support. If you hold this, man, and you could just not crap out, you could see such a tremendous run, okay? So maybe a good buy would be 83,460 with a pretty freaking tight stop. I mean, tight. So don't be mad when you do lose, but just you make the stop tight. So if it breaks down, you lose, but you kind of expected to lose, but you knew the upside potential if you held this area, right? That'd be something to think about. And if you wanted to, you could break it down a little bit lower than the 382. If you wanted. Look, I'm not saying to take this trade. I don't think it's a good setup at all. I'm just telling you, if you wanted to, it would be a at least a decent gamble, right? You know this is an incredible level of support, so you know if you have faith in this trend to continue up and to make this run all the way up here and not make a lower high, you break down to lower prices, which the measure move says we will get screwed, but you won't even be close to around here when we make the run all the way down if it happens. So you're just trying to see if you can maybe keep this trend going, and this would probably be your best entry, that 83,449. And if it doesn't work, hey, just say, hey, I took a shot, man. I lost 2,000 Satoshis to win 8,056, pretty much, or more, because this is your next high up here at 105,000. So just something to think about, man. Just something to think about. TR Fun Guy, hey man, join our Discord. I'll hook you up with some literature. Just PM me, okay? Find me at Lord Ray. Yeah, or Binance. Could he be? Yeah, probably. This is all kid. We're here. EOS. Let's go to Yo-Yo. Shouting Yo-Yo for the mountaintops. Four-hour here. We've already golden crossed. Man, think about it, if you got on the golden cross over here. Man, nice run already. So, yeah, probably the 6 hour, right? Yep, 6 hour golden cross to Jesus, man. Wonderful. Okay, guys, it's 1 till, so we're behind. So, guys, you're local on the 8s. Bitcoin, to US dollar. Still running, man. What? Still running, man. Bitcoin, keep it going. You're back, man. Oh, 6 hour, my bad. Sorry about that. There you go, still running. Making higher highs, so I say you could just keep floating up here like this before you break down to the bottom, then break out. Or you could just keep rolling like this and just contradict the TA and be like, oh, wedge, what's a wedge, man? Screw wedges, burnt, break the upside, whatever, man. But you have a higher chance of floating along, and then breaking to the downside, and then breaking out bearishly. Make your measure move. So RJ, nah. Have not, man. Heck yeah, Maris. Jingle, jingle. How is it cringy, man? It's like the Weather Channel. We do the health. Dude, charting is meteorology, man. They're like the same freaking thing. Inexact sciences. And we're doing a status update on Bitcoin. And it's the local on the 8s, man. We do it at the 58. We do it, man. So it's like, hey, look, man, you know what? Some people hate it. Some people love it. Yeah, I don't think you're going to have any middle ground on the local on the 8s. You'll either hate it or love it. So the downvote is there for you if you want to do it, man. I'm at your mercy. The TA doesn't, you know, we like having fun, okay? Heck yeah, Crypto Analyst. Awesome stuff, man. Welcome to the Hyped on Crypto team, man. How much could Bitcoin drop, Alvaro? So based on the measured move of this wedge, the widest areas, we measured it could drop down to 68.54. That's a real possibility. So there you go. Answer your question, Alvaro. Hopefully that helped, man. What do I think about XRP? We covered it. You want to rewind the stream, Fox? It's there. We covered it. It was 2 coins before the golden cross that we talked about. So just check it out. We're just, you know, we've been going 2 hours and 2 minutes now. So there you go, man. That's Bitcoin. That's pretty much your local on the 8, guys. So look, again, guys. Brent, Jimmy, Rory, Michael, Jules, thank y'all so much for joining the Patreon. Again, I've said it multiple times now. I promise I'm going to do everything in my freaking power to make sure you get the value of that package. So, and also, Emrys, thank you so much for the 500 bits. Rolando, thanks so much for the sub on Twitch. Driz T, thank you for like 2 subs on Twitch or something, man. It's kind of weird. I don't know. Still never have figured that out. TR Fun Guy, thank you so much for that sub on Twitch, man. So guys, it's been fun, but it is that time again. Oh, it's gonna be good, Jules. It's gonna be real good, man. Where's the Patreon? Someone wanna add a link? Hyped on Crypto Live, Mission Control. So guys, I'm getting in my spaceship. We'll see where Bitcoin tops out at, but again, rising wedge, class C, bearish divergence. So just be careful out there, alright? Be careful. Until next time, stay hyped.